Hi, I'm Kathy Miller with the Morrison team at RETSY. Here at our new listing, 6221 East Mescal. You're going to love this property. Let's go take a look. The open concept floor plan features a large island overlooking the living area with beautiful stone fireplace. At over 5,100 square feet, this home boasts 6 bedrooms and 4 baths. The ample master suite is light and airy with an adjacent den and spa-like bath with jacuzzi tub and steam shower. The 5 secondary bedrooms are generously sized with 2 boasting ensuite baths. The dining and bar area feature a sliding glass wall panels that frame the resort-like backyard complete with sparkling pool and spa, mountain views, a sand volleyball court, gas fire pit, and built-in barbecue. The property also features 2 RV gates with generous RV parking and a 4-car garage. For more information or to schedule a private tour, please reach out to me on my website, desertluxurybykathy.com.